Коста! Познайте кой е. Аз съм Селена с микрофона тук, завръщам се малко. Кой е това? Що кликам? Завръщаме се малко, това е... Мога ли да... Не, къде кликнах? Това е... Майса е. Махни се бе, махни се от тук. Това е Dead Space 2. Никога не съм го играл, реших да го пробвам. Манила бе. Previously on Dead Space 1. Кликни.
By the 25th century, Earth's resources were ravaged, consumed, exhausted. Desperate and on the verge of extinction, we cast out into the void of space and discovered rich new worlds waiting to be cracked open. And stripped bare. All of Earth became devoted to this effort. The planet crackers were built. The USG Ishimura, the first and most famous.
Ох, Ишимура.
Planet cracking became
как го мразя то кораб, колко да го мразя.
Eventually, greedy eyes fell upon Aegis 7. Restricted for centuries for reasons unknown, greed and corruption saw to the demise of caution. There, buried beneath the surface, the red marker, long lost and long forgotten. The religion I once called my own had found its holy grail, the key to human immortality. Or so we thought. It did not bring salvation.
Нико. Какво правиш, майка ти дева? То пикаеш.
Murder and chaos. It bred necromorphs. Those who escaped the planet fled to the safety of the orbiting Ishimura. This is Shuttle CS-04. The colony's overrun. We can't go back. The scourge released upon Aegis 7 came with them. Within hours, the Ishimura went dark. The corporation dispatched a small repair crew to check on its investment.
Seems like everyone was trying to pack in a hurry.
Among the crew was an engineer, Isaac Clarke. He had something special aboard the Ishimura.
I wish I could talk.
Жената. Вот.
In the darkness, Isaac found death.
Нормально.
It was not holy, it was not
Ну,
alien.
качество.
It was man-made, and it could be used to stop the outbreak. Isaac also found Nicole.
Thank you, Isaac. I always believed in you.
Dead by her own hand, she was an apparition of the marker. Isaac engineered his escape. But everything else was destroyed.
Вон это дичинец.
3 years later, he wakes in a hospital on Titan Station, an EarthGov metropolis on Saturn's largest moon. Isaac has survived, but his mind is no longer safe.
Трат, смотри.
Changes all.
Така се води страшно. И да видим колко е. Аз на такива работи не мога да се стресна. Normal, casual... Survivalist... Hardcore, ама то не ми да. Затова ще играем на зъбът. Няма етапа са. Играем на нормал, защото съм жена и... Така ли е сега? Чакай. Добре. Ко пука? Ко пукаш? C Advisor Engineers. Прочетах, абсолютно всичко прочетах, така като ми го дари. Electronic Arts. Да ми барат хуя. Visceral Games Production. Яш ми и ти мадята, не знам кои спад. Са две на спадста. Разизор.
Isaac, are you there? Come in, Isaac.
Пак ли ти ма?
Oh God, I'm so sorry, Isaac. Look at the time difference. I'll call you back later.
It's okay. How you doing?
Good. You're right, Isaac. The Ishimura is a great ship. I am so lucky to be serving aboard her.
Enjoy it while it lasts. You know they're gonna decommission her next year.
Isaac, thank you
For what?
for just pushing me to do this. I mean, if it weren't for you, I never would have made it this far, because you made me stick with it.
I'll just remember, I'm giving you up for 6 months so you can do this.
You know what, we must be getting an
Защо е
arrangement.
толкова лагнато и зирен път, бе? Какво е това 15 фпс, бе? Не сме се разбрали с тебе за 15 фпс, мой човек.
Isaac! You were drifting away for a moment there, Mr. Clark. I believe you were telling me about your nightmares that you've been having. About your dead girlfriend. What was her name?
Янка.
Nicole.
I didn't want it to end like this. I really wanted
Ей,
to
лагва,
see
гледай. Какво е това, бе? Защо 15 фпс, бе? На теста беше 30, 40.
I always loved you.
Yes. Nicole Brennan. She was a senior medical officer stationed aboard a Planet Cracker-class vessel.
Hey, Ishimura.
USG Ishimura, yes. Part of a
Ishimura,
mining
не
operation on
Ishimura.
Aegis 7. I understand communications went down shortly after their arrival.
Ам, представи си.
You were part of the repair mission. A
Не,
mission
бях
for which
от
you
Дядо Мраз.
volunteered, am I right?
Не,
What did you find aboard that ship, Isaac?
Дядо Мраз ти казах.
I found something.
What did they find aboard the ship, Isaac?
The marker.
Дядо Мраз.
Did you have contact with this marker?
Еми той даде
It
подаръци.
made you see things, didn't it? Things you didn't want to see.
Какво правиш тук, май?
What did it say, Isaac?
Ало,
What did it say to you, Isaac?
какво правиш на масата, ма? Охо, той с лампички идва. Тия майката. Кой ми идва с лампички бонусно? Чек Бивър.
Isaac.
Чек Бивър.
Isaac.
Кой
Can you
скажи?
hear me?
Не. Ей, по пътсът се оправи.
Dana. I found Isaac Clark. Repeat, I
Dana.
have him.
Great work, Franco. Be careful. He's been out a long time.
Хубаво.
Good. Steady.
Чакай, лагна в пътсът под камайна. Манеката снала теба, цървула теба, всичко ми такова.
I know you're confused right now. I can explain everything, but you gotta trust me, okay? Listen, you're in terrible danger.
Да фак... Ооо, шит, мадафака, бяга от мене. Бягай с пацата, помпи с пацата. Ко ми пежва, помпи с пацата. Го през газа няма да ти излезне, ла. Къв си ти, ла? А, добре.
Franco, what happened?
Как се бяга, бе? Shift с пацата. Shift, добре. Майсата, пенсионер. Къде да хора? О, спич, извинявам се. Бута, Тръчи. Майка ти дева, къде да хора, бе? Тука. Бегат мене, майка ти шеба, пенсионер. Добре, като си ги изляза пък ти, бе, с пацата. Ето ли, бе, добре. Ето ли. Ух. Еба, той та мама. На червено съм. Чаптер 1. Някой дигна краката. На червено съм. Сейф. Съсето. Ацепт. Ладни, той лош няма. Unlocked, open, ами... Добре, очаквах нещо да ми каже здрасти, ама... О! Нинджи. Тихо. Пусти, бе! Сърву! Не. Нищо не става, ти сървули тъпи. Остави лампите на Мирала да теба и тебе. Стига, бе! То тъшат си ли имам, който? Това съм кръкат. Малко кръвище има. Колкото са стана, бе? Еми явно ще правим край на епизод 1. Ей тука. Преди вратата, никой да не ми изкача, майка ви ебам. Добре, ей тука правим край на епизод 1. Ча ви нага, бай-бай.